Funky.
Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another video and another car care video. Just like every other car care or car fanatic or anyone who loves their car out there, we think this with dry ice cleaning is really exciting. It looks super cool. So I've been thinking, or a friend of mine that buys everything has been thinking of buying one of those products to have himself at home. And everything I buy, he buys, and everything he buys, I buy. And the smallest one is, I believe it was 4,000 euro, and that was a while ago, so they are absolutely more expensive now. And that price might even have been in US and not in Sweden. So anyway, a Facebook friend of mine wrote to me and said that he has a company and he does just that. So I thought, why not give it a shot, see how good it gets. And I'm going there with my JDM Corvette, mostly because I don't care if this engine looks clean or not, but mostly because people are so afraid of getting this engine wet. They think that the LT1 engine reacts worse to water than a Gremlin. And yes, there is some truth to it with this whole thing, OptiSpark and a water pump. But on the 95 and the 96, they don't have that problem, and this is a 96. But my whole point is that there's very few people that wash their LT1s, their Corvette engines. And yeah, so let's see how almost 25 years old American V8 that sits out in the open, is probably really dirty, how good it can get people in this city. All right, then I'm gonna show you some before and then during the process and after. This is what my almost 25 years old dirty engine bay looks like. The red here has become a bit too hot, so I'm not going to touch that part. I'm gonna leave them somewhere and get them painted, but as you can see, it's really dirty. And this is because this engine bay is almost out in the open when you drive it. And I've been driving with this car for 3 years straight, winter, autumn, whatever. So this is the before. So this is I don't think it's even open yet. It's a brand new place. Everything looks super cool, neat, and this is the big machine to get the dry ice from there and to clean the engine bay. He just told me that it's going to be really noisy, so I don't think I will be able to film anything with sound. But this is the process. Fill this machine with the dry ice. And this is minus 80 degrees, so you will absolutely not touch it without gloves. And the thing is that no matter how clean the rest of the car is, and this car I think is like 10,000 metric miles or something now, a dirty engine bay will make the whole car look much older. You can have new paint, you can have a clean car and with low miles, fresh tires, etc., etc. But a dirty engine bay will make your car look dirty, older. is just begun, but I can show you, like, this is before, and then on the other side it started to clean.
Just for a little second.
Got a little bit noisy for me, so it's not great. But he showed me everything and explained everything to me how it works. I got like 1 hour of lecture, and I realized quickly that the things that you buy to have at home, nothing can compare to a system like this. So I'm not going to buy anything to do with myself. I'm going to leave it to the pro, because those 4,000 euro compared to this, come on. And cleaning just an engine bay, which is probably faster and easier than underneath the car, we are talking about 2 hours, at least 2 hours. So take your time, take your money, leave it to the pro, and leave your car there, and then go pick it up the other day. So dry ice district, I think they're absolutely the only one in Malmö, and I think they are, I don't know, I don't think we have too many of these yet. So this is the place to go. As usual, I was in a rush, so I had to go. So he wasn't completely done, but still looks better than before. And these I'm going to turn in to get them painted red again. I would say that this is a easy engine bay to work with, because it's all in the open. And still, this took 3 hours, and he wasn't completely done. So if you want to do like the whole underside of your car or something, you can kind of work on that for a week. Yeah, looks like brand new, and the hoses and everything. All right, so I keep getting a lot of questions of people wanting to see videos and pictures of the dry ice cleaning of my engine bay. I started this video, or the beginning of this video is taped a couple of weeks ago, and there is just one minor thing that had kept me from completing the video. And as you can see early in the video, I'm probably gonna post it again, he accidentally removed the heat coating of my ASR. And for non-Corvette guys, the ASR is the active, I don't know, it's the anti-spin. Yeah, whatever. So it's the active anti-spin function. And for some reason, it's heat coated, heat protecting coated. And I'm guessing it's there for a reason. And the guy has absolutely promised me he will fix it. He told me, just come by, we will take it off the car and repaint it or whatever. It's just that I really haven't had the time. I don't know what, I had too much to do, and I almost only drive with my GT86. But just let me show you what it looks like, so when you see it early in the video, you understand why it looks so weird. So this part of the video is only for you C4 guys, Corvette guys. I don't know, yeah. So no matter the function of the heat coating, I really don't like this look. But otherwise the engine bay or the engine is clean. And to be honest, there is one more thing. Everything that I've read about the ASR and the sticker that was on the car before it got removed with the dry ice cleaning says that the ASR is very sensitive. You should absolutely not touch it, yada yada yada, and that only a professional should touch it. And there is a small bolt on it which is covered by the heat coating, like it's sealed. The bolt is sealed, which absolutely tells me you should not touch it at all. So that's also the reason why I haven't been back, so he can paint it, heat coat it again. But I had to release a video because you are asking me a bunch of things. And about the price, I actually didn't ask about the price, so I don't know. But I will ask him and put that in my blog post. So you'll find all the information there, links, etc, etc. So now you at least know that there is a way to clean your C4 engine. And I started this whole video with saying that it's not as sensitive as everybody thinks. And it is not, at least not the 95 and the 96 years model. And just because I said that we accidentally removed this heat coating and now I got some issues. But I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, let me know as usual. And I've always forgot to post a link in the descriptions, but you will find my blog and Instagram and Facebook, whatever.